This business of real estate can be a highly emotional one, whether you are selling your home or buying a home. And lately, I feel like no matter what side of the transaction you're on, it's stressful. As a lister, questions like, if my house sells too quickly, where am I going to live? Or what if they're critical about my house? Or I've got too much to go through, I don't know when I can be ready. On the buyer side, they're thinking the competition is so fierce, I'm never going to get a house. Or I'm not even pre-approved, and with my credit score, I just don't even know if I can get a loan. Plus, if I do, I might spend too much money on the house, and so on and so forth. At any rate, I got to thinking about this, how can we be better at handling the emotional roller coaster that's inevitable with the buying and selling of what is often the biggest asset in most people's lives. And my best advice is pull some professionals into the mix. A lot of people think of realtors as keys, but the truth is we do a whole lot more than just open the door. Lenders, professionals, they do a whole lot more. So talk to lenders, talk to some real estate professionals, get some advice, get connected, get pre-approved, and diminish some of these questions that are creating part of the roller coaster. Have a listing agent come in, bring in a professional stager, photographer, packers to help you get ready for the home. Part of our job as your fiduciary is to serve you well, help you to navigate the market, help you to navigate the roller coaster. It is a roller coaster, but roller coasters can be really fun. So find a good agent, find other good professionals to make this transaction a transaction of a lifetime, and have fun on the ride.